Get a jump start on this meal by buying grated carrots and your favorite Thai sauce and whip up this colorful, tasty meal in about 20 minutes. See the description below for an alternative sauce you can make yourself. Add sesame, avocado, or coconut oil to your pan along with the turkey and cook over medium-high heat. I'm adding a tiny bit of salt. When your turkey is halfway cooked, add the garlic, and the green onions. When the meat is fully cooked, add the carrots and sauce, cover and steam another 45 seconds. Taste and add more sauce or salt if desired. Then add the cabbage, fill your lettuce leaves, garnish with peanuts, and serve with extra sauce. Please subscribe and please check out my playlist for other quick and easy healthy meals like quinoa, kale, and sausage bowl, one-pan fish and veggies, and vegetable pasta. Thanks for watching.